What if I told you there's a tiny bird that can sing beautifully while soaring high in the sky? A bird so famous for its songs that poets and writers have admired it for centuries. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of the lark, a small bird with some truly surprising abilities. Stay with me, because what makes this bird special might amaze you. Larks may not be as famous as eagles or parrots, but they are among the most fascinating birds on Earth. These small songbirds can be found across several continents and have adapted to many different environments. From open grasslands to mountain slopes, larks have learned how to survive and thrive in some of nature's toughest habitats. But there's much more to these birds than meets the eye. There are around 100 known species of true larks. Scientists are still learning about them, and future research may even reveal additional species. One reason for this is that many larks look very similar to one another, making them difficult to identify just by appearance. Most lark species live in Africa, which is considered the center of lark diversity. However, these birds are also found across Europe and Asia. A few species can even be seen in parts of North America, Central America, and northern South America. Surprisingly, there is also a unique species living in Australia. Unlike many birds that spend much of their time in trees, larks are mainly ground-dwelling birds. They prefer open habitats where they can easily move around and search for food. Grasslands, fields, forest edges, and areas with scattered trees are some of their favorite places to live. One of the most interesting things about larks is their natural camouflage. Their feathers are usually colored to match the ground around them. Shades of brown, reddish-brown, and streaked patterns help them blend into their surroundings. This makes them much harder for predators to spot. Some species also have striking black and white markings, and many have small crests on their heads. One famous example is the horned lark, which is known for the tiny feather tufts that look like little horns. Larks are relatively small birds, usually measuring between 5 and 9 inches long. In most species, males and females look very similar. Sometimes males may be slightly larger or have brighter colors, but the differences are often subtle. Their camouflage becomes especially important during nesting season. Larks build their nests directly on the ground or very close to it. The nest is usually a simple cup-shaped structure made from dry grass and other plant materials. Depending on the species, a female may lay several eggs each breeding season. In warmer regions where food is plentiful, some larks can even raise more than one family in a single year. The eggs usually hatch after about 2 weeks. Once the chicks arrive, the parents work hard to feed them. Young larks mainly eat insects because they need lots of protein to grow quickly and develop strong muscles. Adult larks, however, often rely heavily on seeds. Their beaks are specially designed for their preferred foods. Some species have thick, powerful bills that can crack seeds easily, while others have longer bills that help them search for food in the soil. Some species perform incredible song flights, rising high into the sky while continuously singing. Their melodies can be heard long before the birds themselves are seen. For hundreds of years, writers, poets, and musicians have celebrated the lark as a symbol of joy, freedom, and the beauty of nature. Although they may be small and easy to overlook, larks are truly extraordinary birds. Their camouflage, ground nests, unique adaptations, social behavior, and unforgettable songs make them one of nature's hidden treasures.